Playing Homeland is a high-end furniture manufacturer in China. Playing Homeland also has an organized and systemic production line. From sofas, coffee tables, and dining sets, we offer a one-stop solution for all your furniture needs. We've introduced the high-precision advanced door-cap sewing machines. Combined with over 20 years of skilled handcraft experience for perfect final effect of each furniture. We source premium raw materials globally, prioritizing Russian larch, high-quality Italian leather, and imported fabric, which ensures each furniture full of details. From May 21st to 23rd, Playing Homeland is coming to Dubai High Furniture Show. Let's see what is high-end handcraft made in China. See you there!